Romantic places to celebrate Valentine's Day 2022 in Dubai. Making plans for Valentine's Day in Dubai? We know just how difficult it can be trying to plan a special night out with your significant other, so we have rounded up some of the most romantic spots in Dubai for you to try out this year. Check these out. Atlantis The Palms Royal Beach Hotel, Dubai. Armani Hotel, Burj Khalifa, downtown Dubai. Shangri-La Hotel, Dubai. Pier Sheikh, Jumeirah Al Khazar, Dubai. It is depending on what you and your partner enjoy. There are plenty of options out there. Happy Valentine's Day and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Emirates Amazing.